may given dito na problem guys no na lumabas noong November 2025 under MS Stage C. And itong problem na to guys is lumabas noong board exam namin. So the figure shown is a circular lot inspected by the surveyor. The lot was then divided into 4 parts as shown in the figure. Which of the following gives the correct portions of the lot? So ang solution nito guys is basic.
Wow!
And ang given sa atin is isang circular lot daw, and sabi sa problem it was divided into 4 parts. So may angle A tayo dito, angle B, angle C, and then angle D. So try muna natin sum up lahat ng angles na given sa atin. So meron tayong angle A which is 128 degrees, and angle B na 159 degrees, and then angle C na 48 degrees, and then lastly angle D na 26 degrees. And if i-sum up mo yan lahat, ito ay total to 361 degrees. So alam naman natin 'di ba na if given tayo ng circle diyan, alam natin na ang total dapat na degrees sa isang circle is 360 degrees. So ang gagawin na lang natin dito is maghahanap tayo sa choices kung alin dito ang magbibigay sa atin ng 360 degrees in total. So itong letter A is equal to 362 degrees. Itong letter B naman is 362 degrees din. And then letter C is 360 degrees. And then letter D is 362 degrees din. So ang answer dito guys is obviously letter C. Kasi siya lang ang nagbigay ng total of 360 degrees. So ganun lang kadali sa board exam guys. And I hope may natutunan kayo. Bye bye!